Transform your life, one step at a time, the power of habits. Feeling stuck in a rut? Want to finally achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life? The answer might surprise you. It's all about the power of habits. Let's learn about this today, right now on Motive Learn. Our brains love habits. They're shortcuts that save us energy. Every habit follows a three-step loop: the cue, the routine, and the reward. The cue triggers the brain to go into automatic mode, like a certain time of day or your phone buzzing. The routine is the actual behavior, like checking social media. Finally, the reward reinforces the loop, making you want to repeat it. By understanding this loop, we can leverage the power of habits to our advantage. We can create positive habits that propel us forward and replace bad habits that hold us back. Imagine starting your day with a quick jog instead of hitting snooze, or replacing mindless scrolling with a few minutes of meditation. These small changes, repeated consistently, can have a dramatic impact on your health, happiness, and productivity. So how do we actually create and stick to good habits? Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify your desired habit. What do you want to achieve? Maybe it's learning a new language, reading daily, or getting enough sleep. Make it small and specific. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start by reading 10 pages a day, not a whole book. Find your cue. What triggers the desired behavior? Pair your new habit with an existing routine, like reading after breakfast. Celebrate the reward. Reinforce your new habit by rewarding yourself after completing it, maybe with a cup of tea or listening to your favorite song. Be patient and persistent. Habits take time to form. Don't beat yourself up for slip-ups, just get back on track. Remember this too, we all face challenges. Here are some tips to overcome them, so you don't lose focus on your end result goals. Be realistic. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on one habit at a time. Track your progress. Seeing your achievements can be incredibly motivating. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend or family member for support. Focus on the long-term benefits. Keep your ultimate goal in mind to stay focused. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations. By understanding the science of habits and implementing these strategies, you can unlock your potential and create the life you've always dreamed of. Take that first step today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to Motive Learn for more content on creating a happier, healthier you.